Morning guys, May 13th, 2022. So here I gotta go, this guy I worked for a bunch of times. He's got a house with a couple of AC units and he wants me to go check them out. He said he changed the filters inside already and he's not sure about the outside units, what's going on with them. And I'm gonna go over there and I have worked for this guy before. I changed his water heater and I have done a bunch of things for him. He's a good guy. There's a local doctor around here that I work for him, and I told him I'd go by there on a warm day. Today's a warmer day. I'm gonna go by there and see what's going on. I mean, it was warm. It was warm enough to run the AC yesterday. It was getting around 70 degrees or so, and be about that 70, 72 today type of thing. So. Not really crazy hot yet, but I can start working on these units and cleaning them and servicing them and check the charge. You know, it's warm enough where you could run it and put a load on there and check the charge. I don't know what I think they're Goodman units. If I remember looking at them, I think they were walking by them. They were Goodman units. Miss Molly, you got no sweater on today, Miss Molly. Huh? I'm gonna start enjoying the weather. Yeah. I think the fan's just running on that. I don't think the compressor's running on that one. Ain't crazy bad. We'll hit them on the way out. We're gonna have to check this, see if the compressors are running. I got a call from the guy. He says his wife left the AC on the second floor, so obviously it's not working. Oh, it's got a hard stock hit on it too. Let's put our gauges on and see what's happening with it. That's 410. Yeehaw, she's a leaker. Yeah, put some gas in it. It's really low. Got a bad leak somewhere. Some more. I'm gonna go in there with it slow because it's going in as a liquid. There's a leaker. Might be right where those king valves are. I bet you it's leaking there. Wouldn't doubt it. Bring our subcooling up a little bit. Bring that subcooling up a little bit. And 410, you're going to be above 100 degrees on the suction, and something like this has got a piston in it. If it's got a TXV, you want to go around 9 or 10 on the subcooling. Now superheat on a day like this would be lower, maybe 20 or something. Alright, so let's see what we got for outside temperature here. Outside temperature 70. We might need a new battery. See it flashing? That ain't good. Alright, so it's 70, 72. See what our wet bulb is. I know it's 410 for sure. 65 on the wet bulb. $70. I gotta get new batteries. Wet bulb. You're looking at about 20 degrees superheat, like I said. Yeah. It's a York. It's a pile of York, Mama. It's a pile of York. This one says TXV on it. I'm gonna push it on hold because it's on program. Let me cool on. Might be a time delay on it. Yeah, subcool at 2.6. Gotta let it run for a bit, but it's got a TXV according to the first floor unit. Might have to put a little bit more juice in that baby. Gotta let it run for a little while. Yeah, subcooling's a little higher. I just put a little bit in. That subcooling's gonna come up a little bit. You could even see it. I guess so, maybe in here. I'll put a little in. You gotta let it run for a while because it's gonna stabilize and might come up a little. That ain't looking good. So the TXV is regulating the 18. Subcooling there about 8. Suction pressure at 110 for 410A. That's good. Head pressure. See how it's coming up, the subcooling? You don't want to overshoot it. So you were close to 9 there when the subcooling. I'm not going to put any more in it. So this one will be back. I'll put this back to 70. And we'll put the run. Back to programming. That's the first floor. That one should be off. So I put a little bit more gas on the second floor unit. Maybe my subcooling around 9. Suction's good. TXV's regulating with the superheat. We'll leave it right there. That's the second floor one. Second floor unit right there. There's a leaker anyway. There's a leaker. Oh man, there's a leaker. Can't stop a Goodman. Coils really aren't that dirty because it's up on this stone here, you know. Not bad. Can't stop a Goodman.